Hey guys, happy Wednesday to you. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment. Researchers find a Western style diet can impair brain function. This is from Science The Guardian page. After a week on high fat, high added sugar diet, volunteers scored worse on memory tests. Surprise! Consuming a Western diet for as little as 1 week can subtly impair brain function and encourage slim and otherwise healthy young people to overeat, scientists claim. Researchers found that after 7 days on the high-fat, high-added sugar diet, volunteers in their 20s scored worse on memory tests and found junk food more desirable immediately after they had finished a meal. So that explains it. The findings suggest that a Western diet makes it harder for people to regulate their appetite and points to disruption in a brain region called the hippocampus as the possible cause. After a week on a Western-style diet, palatable foods such as snacks and chocolate becomes more desirable when you're full. Okay, and that's from Richard Stevenson, the professor at that university. This will make it harder to resist, leading you to eat more, which in turn generates more damage to the hippocampus and a vicious cycle of overeating. Previous work in animals has shown that junk food impairs the hippocampus, brain region involved in memory and appetite control. I hope I'm not pronouncing that wrong. It seems like I'm pronouncing it wrong. It is unclear why, but one idea is that hippocampus normally blocks or weakens memories about food when we are full. So looking at a cake does not flood the mind with memories of how nice cake can be. When the hippocampus functions less efficiently, you do get this flood of memories, and so food is more appealing. Okay, to investigate how the Western diet affects humans, the scientists recruited 110 lean, healthy students from 20 to 23 years old who generally ate a good diet. Half were randomly assigned to a control group who ate their normal diet for a week. The other half were put on high-energy Western-style diet, which features a generous intake of Belgian waffles and fast food. At the start and end of the week, the volunteers ate breakfast in the lab. Before and after the meal, they completed word memory tests and scored a range of high-sugar foods such as Cocoa Pops, Frosties, and Fruit Loops according to how much they wanted, and then liked the foods on eating them. What? The most desirable people find the palatable food when full following the Western-style diet, the more impaired they were on the test of hippocampal function, Stevenson said. The findings suggest that disruption of the hippocampus may underpin both, he added. Stevenson believes that in time, governments will come under pressure to impose restrictions on processed food, such as they did to deter smoking. I don't know about that. Demonstrating that processed foods can lead to subtle cognitive impairments that affect appetite and serve to promote overeating in otherwise healthy young people should be a worrying finding for everyone. In the long term, eating a Western-style diet contributes to obesity and diabetes, both which have been linked to declines in brain performance and the risk of developing dementia. Oh, Lord, not that. The new thinking here is a realization that a Western-style diet may be generating initial and fairly subtle cognitive impairments and undermine the control of appetite, which gradually opens the way for all of these other effects down the track. Okay, another Rachel Batterham, professor of obesity, diabetes, and endocrinology at University College London, who is not involved in the study, said it was one of the first to investigate whether the Western diet impairs memory and appetite control in humans. Okay, let's see. I'm going to skip a little bit there. There you go, guys. Just weigh in if you want. Otherwise, it's just good to know, but it's not surprising to me. Our Western diet doesn't really do much of anything but make us happy for the short term. Have a great day.